What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Bobby Bearhug from Poppy Playtime. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page to the top edge of the nose. We're going to start over on the left side. Let's draw a curve going up and then down towards the right. And then from the ends we're going to bend this down and then in towards the center. Let's fill the inside of the nose in black. From the bottom tip of the nose, we're going to work our way across the mouth. So let's start with the left side. We're going to come down, and then bend that up, and do the same thing on the right. Let's round out the outside of the mouth, come around, and then down towards the bottom. And we'll close off the bottom of the mouth, starting on the left, bend this down and in towards the center, go across, and then bend that up towards the right. Let's add the tongue across the bottom. Starting on the left, we're going to add that fold. Going up, and then down, step back up, go up, and down. I'm going to switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. From the top corners of the nose, we're going to add a trim. We're just going to bend this out and then down towards the mouth. Now on either side, we're going to draw two large ovals for the eyes. Let's start on the bottom, go all the way around toward the top of the eye, round this out, come down and then back in. Let's line this up over on the right. Come up towards the same height, round up the side, and then down towards the bottom. Let's draw two smaller ovals pushed towards the inside of the eye. So we'll start on the left. We'll go up, come down, and then back up. And we'll do the same thing on the right. And we'll go back and fill the inside of the eyes in black. And we'll go around the pupil. Now, along the bottom of the eye, we're going to step out and draw on the cheeks. Let's start on the left. We're going to add some fur, going up and then down towards the side. Then we'll add a point, pulling this back in with a short line. Let's add another point of fur, coming around and then down. And pull that back up. Now we want to trace the bottom of the mouth along the outside. Down toward the center. And just work our way across and up towards the right side. Now I'm going to go back up to the top and draw on the brow. Let's start on the left side of the eye. We're just going to fold this up and then come down on the inside, line that up on the right. Now I'm going to tuck the ears in behind the brow. Let's start from the very top, go all the way around on the outside, come down. I'm just going to pull that in towards the side of the eye. In between the ear and the cheek, let's close off the head. We're going to go out and then down. And then along the top of the head, let's add a curve going up and then back down. Let's add that trim inside the ear and the outside of the brow. Let's add a short curve along the base of the ear. I'm just going to round out the outside and then come back down. Now I'm going to move down in the center and add in that heart. Let's start with a point in the middle. Start with the left side, going up, around, and then in towards the center. And we'll draw in the right side. Let's move out to the side and curve the body, going out and then down on the left and right. Let's add that patch in the center of the body, starting underneath the head on the left. We're gonna go around the heart, around at the bottom, go up, and then in on the right side. From the bottom of this curve, let's step down, bend this up and then down. And then leaving a gap in the center, go to the left side, bend the leg, coming down and then out. Go to the right, come down and then out towards the heel. Let's round out the bottom of the feet. Come down and then up. Now I want to round out the foot, come in and then bend that down, aiming towards the heel. And then we'll go back up to the hips. We're going to bend the leg, coming down and then out on top of the feet. Let's separate the toes with two small curves, starting with the outside. Step in, draw that again. And then going back up to the top of the foot, we're going to draw a curve. Add a seam coming down and then up. Now let's go back up to the top and stretch the arms out towards the side. We're going to start from the side of the body, bend the arm coming down and then out towards the wrist. And then we want to point the thumbs coming down. Bend this down, round out the thumb, and then bend that back up. Now from the outside of the thumb, let's add a seam for the palm, going around and then up towards the top of the hand. Now we're going to go back up underneath the head and draw the outside of the arm. Just going to bend this out, just up above the palm. And we'll extend the first finger, going out, round up the finger, come down and then in towards the edge of the palm. Let's add two more fingers tucked in behind the palm. Going around. Tucking that in. Now add one smaller finger coming down and just pull that up in behind the thumb. Let's separate the wrist with a curve on either side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bobby Bearhug from Poppy Playtime. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.